Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play Fortnite on your iPhone or iOS device. So let's get straight to it. And the first thing we need to do is head over to your mobile phone. And usually to download a new application, we would just head over to the App Store and download it from here. But unfortunately, there is no way to directly download Fortnite from the App Store. So there's kind of a workaround that we can use to get this working. So let's just head out of the App Store. And the first thing we need to do is head over to an internet browser. I'm just going to load up Safari here on my device, and in the address bar at the bottom we're just going to type in xbox.com/play and hit enter. So from this website we just need to go ahead and select Fortnite from this list of games. If it doesn't come up straight away, you can just use the search feature at the top here and search for Fortnite and hit enter. Then go ahead and select Fortnite. So just go ahead and select this Get Ready to Play button, and this will pop up with a screen basically telling us that we need to add cloud gaming to our home screen in order to play. So to do this, we just need to tap on the share button at the bottom down here. Scroll down to the bottom and select Add to Home Screen. This is going to add the cloud gaming app to our home menu, so go ahead and press Add in the top right here. Now as you can see, if I come back over to my phone's home screen, we now have this new application, Cloud Gaming. Just go ahead and select the app to launch it up. And once again, we're going to head over to the search feature and just search for Fortnite and hit enter. Click on the Fortnite game, and this time we'll have this new button to sign in. Go ahead and select that, and from here you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This can be just a standard Outlook account or an Xbox account. So once you've signed in with your Microsoft account, once again we're going to head over to Fortnite, and then we're just going to come down to this play button and tap this, and as you can see we can now play Fortnite on our phone. So I can now turn my phone over to its side to get full screen here, and we can play Fortnite like we can on a computer. So we can go ahead and enter a match here, and it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you play Fortnite on your iPhone. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.